king had allowed me to eliminate that girl, all this rubbish wouldn't have happened. That is true.
Oh no. What you just said now? So if we allow you, you shed an innocent blood because of mere issue? Ah! Oh no. What kind of man are you? Who do you be with the no?
So you love it that the crown prince has been dethroned because of that stupid girl?
Well, let me just make it clear here. Maybe Ikem was not destined to be a king in his lifetime. It's possible.
Now I know you are very, very wicked. You are a wicked man. Yes. You don't deserve to be in the king's cabinet. Hey. It hasn't gotten to that now.
No.
What are you saying?
Oh no. Let me make it clear to you. If there is anyone that not deserve to be in cabinet of the king, it's you. It's you.
How dare you talk to our traditional prime minister like that? How dare you?
Don't you hear him?
Come on.
Don't you hear what he told me now?
If you talk to me like that again, I will turn you to toilet paper.
Oh no, see, I cannot be moved by all this your fake and cheap charm now. You know now.
Is that how strong you have become?
Yes.
Yes. He who has not gone asks to be contacted when others are going. I will drum the dance of Surugede for you.
And if you dance, you will dance it.
I have gist for you guys. I hear that the crown prince chose a woman over the throne.
I heard it all. That's the height of disrespect. What does she even have that will make the prince decide to lose his throne instead?
I am not judging him, but I think it could have been right for him to pick a wife from this village. Someone like me. I mean, am I not beautiful enough to be the next Lolo of this community? Go to Maya now.
You're just too funny. Wait though. Are you sure she's not the one the crown prince saw and swore he'd rather lose the throne than get married to a girl from this land?
She's the one that... What are you insinuating?
I'm not trying to insult you, my friend, but I think when we're talking about beauty, she just keep quiet.
Are you sure she's not having malaria and typhoid?
I don't blame the two of you.
Come back! Where are you going to?
Honestly, Mabel, I won't support him to reject the throne just to be with you. Look, just forget about this boy and move on.
Mama, now I believe that he loves me so much. And trust me, I won't find anyone who will love me this way.
Listen, I do not want you to talk about that boy in this house again.
How, Mama? I just got a message that he rejected the throne because of me.
What?
Yes.
Is he mad? How can he reject his throne just to be with you? Huh? Oh, let me ask you. No, just stop deceiving yourself. Huh? Let me ask you, who are you? Who are you that he will reject the throne for?
Nico, now I see that a prophet is not known in his town. So even you, Mama, you don't believe that I am that important, right? You don't even believe it. But you believe that I can give birth to a child whose father will be king, but he will not be a prince. You also believe that I should not abort the child, but you don't think I deserve the father of the child.
Please. Don't put words into my mouth. But how can you be advising him to leave the throne just because you want him to be your husband? That's That's not good at all.
Mama, this is simple now. If he can't have me and have the throne, and he goes ahead to choose me over the throne, then I'll gladly marry him. Yes, I'll make him king over me. He might not be ruling his people, but I'll submit the entirety of my being to him. I'll let him rule over me, yes. And I will love him, shower him with love, pamper him. I'll just keep loving and loving and loving him.
Hello. Mabel.
Mama.
Mabel. I hope you know what you're doing.
Mama, what am I doing? I'm seated here with you. He's the one who chose to reject the throne and be with me instead. So why should I refuse a gift horse in the mouth? Please, Mama.
My king. We've been married for more than 3 decades. I've never seen a tear drop from your eyes.
I should have released that sperm into Wangene River. At least the fishes would have been nourished by it. I regret that night it was conceived.
My king, I think you should focus more on the things you have than to focus on the ones you lost. Maybe he was not destined to be a king.
This is the first time in our lineage that the second son will be crowned king while the crown prince is still alive.
It's not a bad history at all. Instead of him to sit on the throne and commit atrocities, it's better he quits now.
I will never stop to mourn him. The strength of my youth is gone. All the effort I put over the years thinking I was raising a crown prince has become a fluke. It's all wasted.
My king, it breaks my heart to see tears on your eyes. Please, stop. Thank the gods. He is not our only son. We have another son. It is better we prepare Izuna. be the king.
I am pained.
My king, stop this.
Father, you're more like one whose ship has capsized, simply because someone said that they can't be king after you. And that alone is making me to wonder, am I really your son?
So now, it is so unfair to say. You are my son. It's just that the shock is too much to bear.
Is that why you have decided to kill yourself, my father? You want to take your own life because of it?
I will not die.
By the grace of our gods, you will not die. But you're already taking a lead way to the path of departure. I mean, just look at it. For some days now, you've not slept. You haven't eaten. Father, you've not even had your bath. I mean, how do I say this outside? That the king hasn't bathed for days. Father, please. If you die before I get to know what kingship is all about, who would you blame, Father? Who?
So now you're getting it all wrong. It's alright, it's alright. Tomorrow, I'll start to teach you all that you need to know as a king to be. But do not disappoint me.
I will not disappoint you, my father. I will not. But please, can you at least eat something now? I mean, I can even go to the kitchen to put something up for you if that's what you want, but I just want you to eat something.
That's what will make you understand that I love you equally. Get anything from me, I will eat. Thank you. Come to my room. Come to my room. Okay. You will sit here someday when I am gone. Kings don't cry. So pull yourself together and get ready to be heir to this throne. No, I think there's need for us to start all over again since we have lost. He came to a stranger. And so it's about time we started teaching Izuna the history of this great kingdom.
Your Highness, it's long I've been expecting this call. We can't continue crying over spilled milk.
No, you're right. Lolo.
Your Majesty.
We'll need your assistance here. I want you to teach your son all he needs to know about a woman. I'm talking about a woman in this kingdom. If he's going to pick a wife from this kingdom, then he should know the kind of woman that they are. I can trust you on that.
Your Majesty, you know you can trust me on that. I'll do right that.
When we talk about the history of this kingdom, the myth, the legends, and all those great heroes we had in the past, no, I trust that you will deliver on that. I will need you to please put him through so that at the end of the day you beat your chest and say, yes, I tutored him.
Igwe, you know, I'm everly ready to teach him. In fact, I don't have a choice. It all depends on how much he can learn. If not, I'm ready.
Well, I have always told you that my son is intelligent and is ready to learn. You'll be surprised how much he'll want to know. It's okay. It's okay. Yes, we don't have any problem. Hello.
The palace is an embodiment of our custom and tradition. It is the duty of the palace to make sure that the custom and tradition remains. Yes, respect. Made from the cosmos. Yes, you can. Yes. It explains our prowess in hunting. Yes.
Is this a ritual?
Rituals from the elephant. This is...
What about this?
Yes, I'll talk about this. Well, this is only meant for you. And this is another work from the telescope. And this is the stuff. As long as I hold this, no man can.
So what happens when you probably misplace it or something? What happens?
If it's misplaced, then there must be something behind it. It can never be misplaced because wherever I go, it goes with me. Oh, yes.
can see that you are still nursing the pain in your heart.
No. Losing a child is more subtle than having a child that will refuse to scratch your back. I feel I've lost a part of me.
But all hope is not lost. That should be your joy.
Oh no. You don't understand. I feel so empty. I feel I did teach him all that he needed to know.
Igwe, don't blame yourself for a man who refused to be the king. He was not under any supernatural influence. What he did was his personal decision. You need to hear. Because the good news is that Izuna is learning fast. He is brave and intelligent. In fact, I see a better king in him.
No, please make him learn fast. Please make him learn fast. Because that will trigger the much needed peace of mind that I really want.
Iwe, Izuna is almost ready. You need to heal as fast as possible so that your health will not be affected.
Mom, from the way you sounded, it's obvious that our people have a very rich cultural heritage. And from all indication, the way we came to be, I'm so proud to be from this kingdom.
Not only being proud to be part of this kingdom, but you are part of our history. Because you are the future king of this kingdom. Believe me, what happened to Ikem was part of our negligence. But I intend to correct that where you are, and I want you to follow suit.
How do you want to make that happen?
I want you to get a wife. Yes. Do you have someone already that you want to get married to, or you have to let me know the type of woman you want? And believe me, I'll get her for you from this kingdom. It's not funny.
Well, you just told me you're joking right now. I mean, why would you be expecting me to get married anytime soon? I'm too young to settle down, Mom. Why would you be saying this? Oh, please, Mom, please. Just stop it, please.
Oh, stop it, Izuna. You are not too young to get married. Yeah, now I see the reason. Our ancestors used to get wives for their children when they were still kids and nurture them together to grow as siblings. Then at the right time, they will make them to understand that they are not siblings, but husband and wife. Subsequently, the practice scrapped off as generations goes by. But it continues with the royal family until this tradition and culture of the king getting a wife, the first wife from the community, wears off. You see it. Had it been we found a wife for Ikem when he was younger, all this wouldn't have happened. So it's our mistake. Now tell me, do you have someone in mind you want to marry? Or do I get one for you?
Mom, if someone had told me I was going to be talking about marriage right now, how am I supposed to believe that person? And plus, I don't want to become king. I've never wanted to be king. And suddenly everyone is seeing me as the next king of the kingdom. Well, if that's what the gods want, fine. Hence, they will not take this away from me because this is very important to me. And concerning the question, do you have anyone in mind for me?
You should tell me whether you have someone. If not, I'll get a wife for you from this kingdom.
Well, Mom, you're holding me down in a tight corner, man. I don't like this. Okay, fine. I have a friend, just a friend that I've been, keeping me company somehow.
Is she from this kingdom?
No, she's just a friend.
Is she from this kingdom? Okay, when am I seeing her?
Mom, whenever you want to see her, you let me know.
I can't wait.
But please, I can't go get on the throne without this.
Why is he staring at us like that? Like a fool.
Good day, sir.
Hi, sorry, excuse me. Can I talk with you?
Yes, you can.
Why didn't you pass me like your friends did? Why did you choose to greet me?
What more can they be to me? You know, we don't dictate for ourselves. It is not safe to go to the stream alone. That is why they are always around.
Oh, I see. And they are completely gone. They never thought it wise to wait for you or something.
Yeah, they already told me from home that if I stop to greet anyone, they will not wait for me. I'm used to them leaving me behind.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that means you're in the habit of greeting people when you see them.
I greet people a lot.
Oh, that's so kind of you.
Thank you.
I think at this point, it's imperative I let you know who I am. My name is Izuna Ekechima Nebe.
Izuna Ekechima Nebe. Are you from this community?
Yes, I am.
Ekechima. That name belonged to the royal home.
Yes. I am actually a prince of this land.
Hey. Long may you reign, my prince.
Shh, it's okay. Hey, can you look up? Stop it.
Pardon me if I have not been respectful enough.
It's okay. Your humility goes beyond expectation. From my few observations about you, you're a very busy person. You're always occupied. How about we making our time to talk maybe later? I mean, if you were able to make our time, I'll create that time too for you.
My prince, I have a lot of errands to run today. I don't know if you can give me your number. I'll call you later to tell you when I will be free.
Shh, that's okay. May I please get your number?
With all pleasure, my prince. Here.
Okay, sorry, my bad. I didn't get to ask you your name from beginning. What's your name?
Ginika.
Ginika, okay, sorry. I'm sorry about that.
No problem.
Okay, no problems. I'll call you, all right?
Thank you.
Okay.
Please wait now. Wait now, please. Ngozi, could you guys believe that that guy is the crown prince of this land?
You started again, oh. Ginika, you started again.
I told you. I knew that guy was up to something. Thank God he did not tell you that he's the king himself.
I know that you people will not believe me.
That guy really took our time to brainwash you.
Hey, he did not brainwash me. He was so sincere.
Ginika. Hey, you know, at times I wonder how you managed to be my friend. Eh? You act so dark, yet you claim to be wise. What is wrong with you?
He told me that his name is Izuna Ekechima Nnebe. And you know that that name belongs to the royal home. If you don't want to believe me, you leave it now.
Nneka, she might be right though. Ekechima. That name sounds familiar. Oh. Nneka, are you sure she's not right? Eh?
Because wait a minute. Could it be that the crown prince is falling for Ginika while we are here? Is she more beautiful than we are?
Eh? I doubt. This is the main reason why I will not believe that guy is the king. Let's go.
Yeah.
You mean you will be made king instead of your brother?
It's obvious.
But that's not nice.
Well, that's what everyone says. The royal home has done as much as we could, but he refused.
Wow. I am honored to be in the presence of the crown prince of this land.
I'll be more honored if you accept to be the future queen of this kingdom while I sit on my father's throne.
What? I didn't hear that.
You heard me.
My prince, I am not worthy to be a queen. I am not educated enough. I am not even beautiful. I am also not from a rich home. I mean, I am not...
Please get up. Get up. Listen to me. Listen. Everything you lack will be provided for you at the palace. Is it education? Is it finance? Whatever that it will take to make you a good queen, the royal home will make that available. All I just want from you is just to be by my side as my queen, whereas I sit on the throne of my fathers. I've taken my time to study you as a human. I know you have wisdom. You're well behaved. You've got good character, great virtues as a woman. Believe me when I say every other thing that you lack will be taken care of. Listen, from your education, finance, and even your beauty. If you're not confident enough with the way you look, I mean, the royal home might as well go ahead and provide you with other aesthetics that would make you more beautiful. Just be my queen, and I promise you I will give you everything no man has given you.
My name is Ginika, the daughter of late Mr. Anthony Ogalago.
Anthony Ogalago. That was a good man. Yes. From Udiago.
Yes, you are. Yes. I'm from Udiago.
What a small world. That man was an upright man. Wow. He was so upright that he was killed because of his truthfulness.
What?
Yes.
That's what my grandma told me.
Shit.
He was murdered for saying the truth.
That's true.
That inspires me to be more truthful now. Because I realize that truthfulness is the weapon people dread so much now.
You're right.
I'm quite impressed. I'm impressed to have you here.
Thank you, my queen.
Isn't your ability to find such a wife girl shows how much you deserve to be the future king of a kingdom.
You can go back home and announce to your people that you have found favor in the sight of the crown prince of this kingdom.
Igwe.
Thank you, Your Highness.
You have spoken my mind. You have spoken my mind indeed.
Come. Come, my girl. Come and sit with me. Yes.
The queen needs you.
Come and stay. Sit.
Thank you, my queen.
I cannot wait to have you as my daughter-in-law. And I promise you that in due time, I will be glad to hand over my royal authority over to you.
Thank you, my queen.
My friends! How you guys doing? So we are friends now. And you could not even tell us you are getting married. You have to hear it from somewhere else.
If I had told you guys, you would not believe. I mean, the other day I told you about him being the prince, but you didn't believe.
Is that why you stopped telling us about him? It's unfair. Ginika, we're your friends now.
Tell her. Eh? Tell her.
I'm sorry. I just wanted the date to be fixed before telling you guys.
But I heard it's this weekend.
Yes, but we are still...
Oh, wait. Oh, so you really don't want to tell us about this, right? You really do not want to tell us about this. No problem. No problem. But from today henceforth, we're no longer your friends. Nigga, come, let's go, please. Ngozi! Nigga, come, let's go.
Nigga, you should not do this now.
I'll leave you. Come, let's go. Ngozi! Please, wait now. Nigga, wait now.
Breathe now. Why are you not breathing with me? You breathe with me now. What's this?
Cha, Okotokwenu. Okotokwenu. Okotokwezuonu. Oh, ihe aka ọkụ agere nwata n'aka anaghị eregbu ya. Liji. Eke. Ori. Aho. Nkwo. Today, I crown you the Igwe nke asatọ n'Okoto Kingdom. I present to you the Igwe Ochiron nke asatọ n'Okoto Kingdom. Igwe! Obotokwani! Obotozuanu! Yeni! Katani! Obodozuano! Oh no! Igwe, obi ukwu meka nna aka ewu. Maazị obi ukwu. Meka nna aka ewu. Agụ owuru. Ezigbo mmadụ. Igwe. Maazị obi ukwu. Ọfọdụ ofu aka. Ya baala gị. Ha! Omekande. Mou. Omekande. Oh. Nemoma. The Queen Mother. Thank you. Thank you for raising a child like me. Thank you.
And thank you for making me proud.
And there goes my beloved queen. The beautiful queen. The beautiful queen. The beautiful lover. Adamara. Osodiachi. Obotokwani! Swanu! Swanu!
My love, there's this thing that has been bothering me, and I hope it doesn't infuriate you.
What is it? I've always told you, if you have anything to say to me, feel free, knowing very well that I will barely get angry at you.
It's about your brother. I think it's time we at least ask about him and know how he's doing.
I would appreciate if you don't mention my brother around my hearing again. I have other things that are bothering me, not Ikem.
You are the king now. The act of forgiveness is something you should master. Ikem is your blood brother. You can't be angry with him forever.
No matter how high the bird flies, no matter the distance it covers in the sky, if it decides to perch on the anthill, it is still on the ground. Have you forgotten that my father disowned him?
That is what you keep saying. If your father was still alive, I believe by now he would have forgiven him.
Please, like I mentioned earlier, I have things that are really disturbing my peace about this kingdom. I have things bugging my mind, not Ikem.
Well, I will leave you for now, but we are not done talking about this. I am not saying you should bring him back to the palace. What I am saying is, ask about him and know how he's doing. He might be going through a lot and needs somebody to help him. What more can you do for a brother?
I do not want to talk about Ikem again. Ikem made his choice.
How are you?
Fine.
Why are your faces like this? Are you okay?
Daddy, you're hungry.
Hungry?
Yes.
Your mom did not prepare anything for you people.
Yes, Daddy. She said when you come back, you will buy food for us.
Where are you dressing to?
I'm going to see a friend.
You're going to see a friend. Why didn't you prepare something for the kids to eat?
As what, exactly? Am I your maid?
What do you mean, are you my maid?
No, I don't understand it. I just knew it. I knew that if you see me dressed like this and looking happy, it would turn sour for you. Because you're an enemy of progress, obviously. I don't get it. What is this?
I don't understand what you're saying. Is there something you're not telling me? Because these days, the way you dress is just making me confused.
I am going to see a friend. Full stop.
So are you not supposed to make something for your kids to eat?
With what exactly?
Of course, there are food items there you can make.
Can you bring them out? Let's see. What food items? Tell me. As a married man, before leaving this house in the morning, are you not supposed to drop money for your family to feed? No. Or did you keep a tree inside that manufactures money that will just vomit money and I will use to feed them? Oh, you think it's by having children? You need money to take care of children. Please. What's this now? I don't need anything to spoil my mood. I'm in a very happy mood. I don't want anything spoiling it. So please.
I need this food already. You know what? You can keep this inside. I need to go. Where are my shoes? Oh, these kids. Oh, God.
Why me? Oh, why me?
Are you serious about it?
My king, though the Wangele River still belongs to us, but from Mwata down to the river now belongs to Omona people.
I thought, Chinekeme, I thought those lands belongs to our community. And no individual of this kingdom has the power to sell or give out any land without the consent of the royal home.
As a matter of fact, as the tradition permits, it is only the royal home that has the strength, the ability, the authority to sell or give any land out to any individual. And if that must be done, it has to be according to the interests of the entire community.
My king, that's not even all. As I'm speaking with you now, the land from Okoreko down to market now belongs to Ndeawa. Yes. The only place those people did not sell is the market area because they know they cannot sell it.
Can you take me there? I
I want to see things myself if I can believe what you're saying.
Yes, my king. I will do that.
Enemies of the throne, destroyers of the kingdom, men who are set for the well-being of the kingdom. They are the ones walking against the kingdom, committing atrocities in the kingdom. Evil men in the land, oh, enemies of the kingdom. Yeah. So evil men in the land, oh, enemies of the kingdom. Yeah. So, but no matter what happens, the gods are watching. There's always a payback for every wickedness. So, by evil men triumph, but only for a while. Then justice arise and take its course, yeah. Evil men in the land, oh, enemies of the kingdom, yeah. So, evil men in the land, oh, enemies of the kingdom, yeah. So, enemies of the throne, destroyers of the kingdom, men who are set for the well-being of the kingdom. Yeah.
Where are you coming from?
I thought while I was leaving, I told you I was going out to see a friend.
You didn't tell me the friend you were going to see. You need to understand something. These days, you just leave the house anytime you want, come back anytime you wish, wear clothes that I never bought for you. What is really going on? You don't care about your family no more? Is this the kind of life you want for yourself?
Well, it's been a really exhausting day. I actually came back to relax my head, but it's obvious that there's no peace here. And what am I doing back here if there's no peace here? It's better maybe I just go back to where I'm coming from.
Fine, it's better you go back to where you're coming from. If you think you're not, what I'm saying is not right, you're free to go back to where you're coming from.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
Wait, are you really going out? I'm looking for the files for the landed documents my father gave the chiefs. Can I see them?
Everything you need is here. But I know that some are in my room. Some files are in my room. If you want them, I can still bring it.
Please, I need to see them.
It's okay. I'll do that, but there is something I want us to discuss about.
Mom, what is it? What is it? What is it this time?
Would you mind sitting down? Let's talk about it.
Mom, I am not in the mood to sit. Can I see the documents, please? Or better so, you want me to go to your room to get them myself? You just tell me where to find them.
I want us to talk about your brother.
I know my wife got you to talk about this. Because I know her too well that she will never stop doing anything she wants to get done, except when she achieves that.
Can you please get rid of that? You know how much I detest the smell.
Get rid of this.
Yes, my king.
Your wife is telling you the truth. I didn't want to talk about him all these years because I wanted to respect your father's decision even till death. But since your wife has brought up the issue, I think we should forget about it and bring him back.
Mom, I am sorry. I do not want to talk about Ikem. I have a lot of things going on in my head right now. I have lots of workloads to do. Please, can I see the documents?
No problem. You have to think about it. Let me get the file for you.
Your Highness, Omekanme, you know the planting season is fast approaching. I would want you to give me some portions of land from the community land for me to farm on.
Oh no. What happens to the lands that my father gave you?
Oh. The little portion of land your father gave me is no longer enough for me. You know, God blessed me with good farm produce over the years. So I need more land.
I have decided that under my reign, that I will stop the giving of portions of lands belonging to the community to any individual, except that land is going to be used for communal purposes.
Your Highness, I am not telling you to give me the land. I will relinquish it when I am done farming or when the community needs it.
Have you returned the ones my father gave you?
How can I return it when I need more? Your Highness, don't refuse me this request.
Well, like I said earlier, that I have decided that under my reign, I will not release any land to any individual anymore, except for communal purposes. Go home and make do with the one you have, and wait for what is coming.
Enemies of the throne, destroyers of the kingdom, men who are set for the well-being of the kingdom. They are are the ones walking against the kingdom.
You are back. Who offended you? Why is your face like this?
Could you believe that the king refused me some portions of land I want to farm on? After everything I have done for him.
Maybe because he has discovered that you have not been farming on that land. Rather, you've been selling them.
Are you mad? Ned, where is that one coming from?
I am your wife. And the king has been giving us some portions of land to farm. And for one day, we have not gone to that farm to plant even ordinary corn. Rather, I see people coming here for you to sign land documents for them.
So you don't believe me when I told you I am a land agent?
I believe you. I believe you. I just pray that the king will not wake up one day and demand for the lands to be returned because Oga is very disastrous.
I can see that you are talking too much.
You sent 3 of our children abroad. Don't you think I should be daft to be in this house and not know where the money is coming from?
Ned, let me not hear this rubbish outside this place. Did you understand?
Hey, and let me remind you, my problem with you is that you still don't see me as your wife. That is why you do all these things without informing me about it. I wouldn't have allowed you to do some of it.
More reason I won't tell you. Women has a way of pulling men back. And whenever I'm moving, I don't want any negative thought.
Women have a way of pulling men out from doing wrong. And as it is, you have comfortably and successfully entered this one. And I pray you have the power to come out of it because I have nothing to say. As usual, Naya can marry because you never told me.
Enemies of the throne.
My son, I would not like you to deny Onowu anything in this palace, especially portions of land. He has done a lot for our community.
Afomoleze, my mom, what if I tell you that Onowu is not the man that you think he is?
My son, your father trusted Onowu so much. I would like you to do so. He is a truthful man.
Honesty is a virtue. And it is often said that he that much is given to, much is expected. Would you believe if I told you that Onowu has been selling the portions of lands that were given to him by my late father?
I don't think that's true. Don't let people deceive you.
What if I tell you that I've done my investigation? What if I tell you that Onowu has been selling the lands that belongs to the community to outsiders? Well, I can't lie sitting on this throne, the throne of my fathers. For this throne represents justice, equity, and fairness. I have made my inquiries. All I am waiting for is just to get a handhold on the documents. Anytime soon, I'll be inviting all the elders to the royal palace to come and give account on how they have been using the lands that were given to them in the past.
I'm very proud of you, my son.
You raised me well.
All I have to say is for you to be careful with those people. Be careful, please. You're important to me.
I know. Nothing will happen to me.
The gods will guide you.
Why are you treating me like this? Is there something you're not telling me? We've been living together happily. I need to understand what changed.
I'm tired of suffering. That's what's changed. You keep telling me everything will get better. Yet, things keep getting worse. We've been living in this place for several years. Even have 2 kids. Still, we haven't upgraded.
Babe, but you know it's not my fault.
I know.
I'm doing my best.
It's my fault. It's not yours, it's mine.
No, I didn't say it's your fault. I'm only saying that we can work together. We can pray together. A family that prays together wins together. Together we can achieve greater things.
I know you've sacrificed a lot for this relationship. I have to. In fact, so much more. But I think it's time we start readjusting ourselves.
I don't understand.
Well, someday you get to understand all of it. But right now you should know that having kids shouldn't be tops on a man's priority when he doesn't have money to take care of them.
Why me? Oh, why me? Why me? Why me? Why me? Why me?
I would like to see the paper documents for every portion of land that my late father gave each and every one of you.
Your Highness, he didn't give us any paper.
Yes.
Hey! Aneme. Macharanya.
No, you lie.
Can't you just say things the way it is for once? Eh? I remember our late king gave all of us a document to sign, and we signed. Oh no.
So, you mean that my late father didn't give you any documents to sign before allocating portions of lands to you? That means my father got up someday and asked you to go and take as many portions of lands that you like.
Yeah, he just sent someone to measure and cut some portions of land for us. Though he gave us a small paper, you know, but it wasn't the official court document. It was a small paper.
Small paper.
So, he gave you small paper?
Yes.
You see that small paper? I want to see them.
Highness, what for?
Hey, I was about asking you, what for?
Do I have the right to see those papers?
Well, I think think you have the right to see the paper, but I don't know.
Of you 7 days. 7 days to provide me with those papers.
Bam.
This meeting is over. I said this meeting is over.
Igwe.
Ah.
Enemies of the throne, destroyers of the kingdom, men who are set for the well-being of the kingdom. They are the ones walking against the kingdom, committing atrocities. And the kingdom evil men in the...
You started again.
This man.
This thing the king is doing, I don't think it is necessary. Instead of giving us more portions of land, he is asking us to return the ones his father gave us.
It's not proper. But no, is there anything bad there? He's the king and has every right to ask us to return the land his late father gave to us. Or did we buy the land?
Who are you asking?
I don't like how you interpret matters. Have we done farming on the land?
No.
I even need more in this upcoming season.
Me too.
Are you suggesting we disobey the king?
I wonder.
There is nothing to wonder. There is nothing to wonder here. Let's just tell him in one voice that he should give us more portions of land instead of asking us to return the one the father gave us.
And I support the motion. That's how you'll be shaking your head like a gamma lizard. See, if we're not careful, we will struggle so much this planting season if we have to return those portions of land. Do you know what we'll go through?
But I think we should obey before we complain. Let's just submit the documents first. Then we'll tell him what we want. We will not do anything like that. That boy doesn't have to put us in such a tight corner.
Oh no.
Is he enslaving us?
No. Speak for yourself. Oh no, speak for yourself. Count me out of this discussion. I'm not part of it at all.
You are very stupid.
Yes.
Are you sure you are not the one that triggered him into this action?
He's the one.
Oh no, me, very stupid.
Of course.
Oh no, you are the biggest fool here now.
Hey, show
the way I'm seeing you now.
You are talking to me?
Yes.
Stop, no.
Stop crying. Stop crying yet. Whatever it is, you people have swallowed. It's time for people to vomit it. Vomit here. Yes.
It's you that vomit your intestine.
Yes. All
everything in your stomach. You are going to vomit it.
Oh no. Return the land.
Return the land.
Let us go. Return the land.
Slap you from the back.
Return the land.
I have these strong feelings that he's going through a lot right now. I think we need to send people to find him.
That was exactly the reason I wanted to see you. I've already sent someone to look for him.
Wow. Thank you, my queen. I know that my husband will never want to find him. I just want to know where Ikem is and what he is going through.
The late king took everything from him and sent him away. I wonder if he has gotten back on his feet by now.
Mother, you shouldn't have left him all these years. He still has royal blood running through his vein. He deserves to be helped.
My daughter, we all make mistakes and we learn from it. Ositeta adewanama. Odewarabo.
Where are the children?
Please, sit. I want us to talk.
It's not why I'm here. I need to give them this bread
Please,
first.
I won't take your time. Just sit. Please.
Okay. Fast. But where are they?
Oh. Do you remember Alex?
If I remember Alex. What kind of question is that? If I remember someone that duped me, someone that forgot about me, you're asking me of that stupid lunatic. If I remember him, what's it? Just talk, Abel. Talk. You say more important thing.
I want to tell you a story.
What? Oh, come on, babe. How can you say you're pregnant now? What is going on? You know I don't have penny. I don't have a dime with me. You've been the one feeding me for the past 2 weeks and you're telling me you're pregnant. What do you want me to do? Can you talk man now?
Excuse you? Why exactly are you blaming me? No, I don't understand. Was I the one who got myself pregnant? Did I do it myself? Why are you blaming me?
I know I did it. I did it. But babe, you should have avoided it. Are you not a woman? Some will flush it out.
Avoid it how exactly? You were the one who deflowered me. What did I know about sex? Tell me.
You know what? I think we need to abort this baby before everyone gets to know about it.
If my mother gets to find out about this, she will skin me alive.
Better.
So I don't care what you do, just do everything possible so that nobody will find out, or my mom won't find out.
We need to terminate it. Oh, there's a problem, babe. You know I don't have a penny with me. I don't have any money. What do we do to raise the money for the abortion? I don't have any money with me. What do we do? That's a problem.
Like, how much will it cost to do that?
I don't know much, but the safest one should be like 80 to 150,000.
150,000?
Yes, that's the problem.
Yeah, where are we going to raise that kind of money?
Well, you can't raise the money?
What do you mean if...
How can you do this to me now? How can you be punishing me unnecessarily? How can you...
How can I do this to you? Are you okay? You did this to me.
If some girls flush it out, there's a way that...
Then you shouldn't have even done it in the first place if you didn't know how to handle this.
You've ruined my life. I'm done. God, I don't know what to do. I don't know. We need to do something about this pregnancy because it's a big problem. It's a very big problem. Yes. I don't know what to do. I don't know. Where do we raise the money? Where do we raise the money, babe? Babe, I have an idea, though it's crazy.
What's the idea?
I'm afraid you may not like it.
Can you just tell me about the idea? Then leave it to me. Let me know if I will accept or reject it.
Okay. There's this guy that you told me that is trying to toast you. I went close to this young man and I noticed that he's a prince and a wealthy guy. Babe, do you know that the few weeks I spent with this young man, if I tell you how much he gave me, you'll be surprised.
So, what are you saying exactly? Because I told you that he stopped coming on to me. What?
Go and seduce him. Stay with him for one night. And after 1 month, you will pin that pregnancy on him. And you will tell him that you're not ready to mother any child. That if your mother gets to know about this, that your mother will kill you. Babe, and trust me, that guy will give you any amount you want. Yes.
Are you insane? No. This must be a joke, right? Because I really cannot believe that this is coming from you. You asking me to go sleep with a man just because of money? For real?
Honey, I'm sorry. I know it's crazy. But that's the only best way for us to come out from this problem before it gets our neck. Come on, just imagine if your mom gets to know.
Can you not speak right now, please? Don't say anything.
Oh God. Babe, can you just help me out? I know it's not nice. But can you just help me? Let's come out from this. That guy will give you any amount you want. Trust me. Yes.
What did I get myself into?
Can you do this because of the love you have for me? Can you just take this risk because of the love you have for me?
Can you hear yourself?
I came to your house. You brought me here. Is here more comfortable than your house?
I want to discuss something with you, and I don't want any other ear to hear it.
Okay.
Do you know that you can still take back the throne?
Take back the throne? How is that possible? My brother is already the king.
I am the traditional prime minister of this land. I know what I'm telling you. Your brother has been doing things childishly, and he doesn't take advice. My friend, stand up and take back what belongs to you.
This is too heavy. So what are we going to tell the people?
We will tell the people that you were deceived into believing that you impregnated a woman. But now that you have found out that it is not true, that you want to take back what belongs to you, be a man.
This will not be easy, okay? It's not something you can just wake up one morning and say, this would definitely cause problem. There must be trouble.
Ikem, if you must be king, you should not be afraid of troubles. The number of troubles you overcome in your life determines how strong you are as a man.